So hello guys, welcome back to in another video. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. Before diving into our video, so want to know how attackers actually try to steal social media accounts. I am not teaching crime. I'm showing you the tactics so you can defend yourself in the just some time, and you all see. First method, real hacker used to clone login pages, how to spot the difference from a real site, and exactly what setting to enable so this never happened to you. This is ethical security education because the best defense in knowing the offense. So let's go. Before going to into our video, I want to say something to all of you. We just launched two comprehensive cybersecurity courses, fully practical and real world scenario, and even though real attacks I just showed into my courses. The first one is a pre-recorded program covering real world exploit and practical hacking techniques, and the second one is including live one-to-one session with hands-on hacking training. Both link are in description below. Join now to take your skill to the next level. And one more thing that I want to say that this video is only and only for educational purposes only. And even though whatever we are going to uh, doing in this video, we are just use our virtual devices and our own network to just demonstrate this thing and to educate people so they can defend their self. And now that's all. Now let's dive deep into our video practically.
Disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. All demonstrations were performed in lab environments or virtual devices to understand cybersecurity concepts and did not affect real devices or networks. Hacking into someone's data without permission is a cybercrime. Illegal access to someone's data is a cybercrime.
So first of all, before going to do this thing, we need a tool into our system that help us to make this thing possible. Okay, now I just found a tool that name is Cyberfish. This is the tool that made by Cyber Dioxide, and this is the link that you all of us get maybe in description, and even though you can search into Google, you will get this tool Cyberfish. This is the name of this tool, and you can just type in Google like Cyberfish GitHub, you will get this. And here is the whole tool. And now we are going to because here is the no we are going to install this into our system. Okay, so first of all we need to as usual that we are do long time ago that first of all we need to ready our system, so this will that help us to install and fulfill the requirement of the tool that we can do. First of all, here you can see we have already installed into our system. First of all, what you need to do before installing the application, that tool, sudo apt update. That means you can update. First of all, you can update your whole package. Okay, like here you can see our update was going on. Now after this, we are going to install that tool. Here you can see this is the tool, and here are not available that installation guide maybe, but I will tell you everything like you got some errors, so I can show you the things that how you can easily download and install this tool into your system, and you can use it as well. Now here our system was updated. Now what we can do here, we are going to do something. First of all, let's see. Yes, our system was updated successfully. Now what we can do here, sudo install, because this tool needs some requirement, so we can fulfill it using apt install python 3 and then python 3 hyphen pip hyphen y. That means install this tool. Now here you can see this is already our newest version available. Okay, now if in your system if this is not available, so it will download, and after this we can use git clone to download this tool into our system. Here you can see like using git clone. Just a second, here you can see just git clone, and then this will download into our system. After download, what we can do here, we go into the folder like directory cd cyberfish. Here you can see cyberfish. Now here you can see we are in the directory of cyberfish. Now we need to download and set up this tool. First of all, we are going to create a virtual environment that you can use python 3 -m venv and vnv. That means it will automatically create a vnv directory. That means our vnv directory was created successfully, and now we are going to activate the virtual environment. So source venv win activate. That means it will activate the virtual environment and hit the enter. Now in front of root you will get cvenv. That means our virtual environment was activated successfully. Now after 2025 it requires virtual environment before installing anything related to python. So here you can see pip install -r requirement. And what we can do here, here you can see now our virtual environment activated, and we are going to install pip install -r requirement.txt. Okay, now after this it will all download and fulfill the everything that what was the requirement of this tool. It will automatically fulfill when you use the command pip install -r requirement.txt. Now here our tool was successfully launched before, like python 3, and just type python 3 and then just type the tool name. Okay, now after this, here you can see we are going to see choose the target, like what we want to hack. Okay, so we are going to use here you can see python 3. Again, I am just showing you that how you can launch this tool. Here you can see python 3 cyberfish dot and this tool was launched successfully. Here you can see now we are going to down like hack anything. Here we have available option 22. Now I'm gonna show you our hack about related to instagram. So we are choose option 1, and in enter target name, like what was the target name, hackerinsight, and target account name, that means the account name instagram username that I just use hackerinsight 78 for example. And one more thing, after phishing url, what we can do here, we need something that called phishing urls. So what we can do here, we are going to use a tool that name is zfisher. I will show you. Here you can see zfisher cd desktop. This tool also available in my desktop. So we are going to into our desktop, and here sudo su, that means give a permission of administrative. And now just wait for some time, cd zfisher, wait for some okay, Fisher, we are in. Now what we can do here, let me make this bigger so you all of us see clearly. Okay, now what we can do here, just run this as a root dot slash jetfisher. This tool was run successfully, and now we are going to choose instagram. So choose option 2, number 2. Now traditional login and local, because we are going to perform this thing into locally and our virtual environment, because we are not going to infect and harm to anyone in outside of our network. So here is the url that we got, and we just paste here and enter the target email. For example, hackerinside@gmail.com. For example, this is not my gmail. I just show you the actual thing. Enter the name of html file to save, like the html file that the whole detail saved. Now just wait for some time. Here we just wait for some time. We need where first of all, let's jump into our desktop cyberfish and clear, and then here already our custom hacking.html, let's remove it first of all. Okay, now it's removed. Just a second. Now in our second terminal, we are going to choose our name, like custom underscore hacking underscore attack, whatever we are going to see, like want to create. Now our file was created successfully. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, if I want to hack another account, I can use from here. Now our file was created successfully. That was the phishing phishing html page. Here you can see, I will show you. Here you can see custom attack.html. This is the R file that we created using these using the tool that Cyberfish. Now we are opening this using Firefox, like Firefox custom underscore attack.html. Now Firefox was launched this, and here you can see this is the thing. Now you here, this is the actual black method actually works. Like here you can see, hi hackerinside, I am damn sure that when, like, in future, in your past, you will get a message like this into your email. Okay, now what we can do here, our server was running. Now here is a option, like if I click the forget password, what it will going on. Here you can see we got a IP address. Obvious, this is the we are doing in locally, so it's our local IP. And here I just paste our random email and password. And if I click here login, this is the actual black hat method that actually hackers use to steal your account. Because first of all, they send you a phishing page, like a HTML page that I already show you, that we created using Cyberfish. And after this, here you can see we got login credential like hackerinsight and password. Here is the password. Subscribe now, and it will saved into auth username.data. It also saved in this file. Now let's remove this. Okay, now I will show you some other attacks. Like we are going to use some other accounts hacking. So in this time we are going to use Gmail. So enter the target name. For example, target name, we are going to use hackerinsight. Okay, now enter the target email, and I am just going to paste here random email address, hackerinsight@gmail.com. Okay, now enter day, example Monday, Tuesday, Friday, whatever we are going to let's put here Friday. Like whatever we are going to fill here. Enter date. In that date section we are going to use 10, 0, and 4 and 2026. Okay, this will be enough. Now enter year, enter 2026, for example. Now enter time, 10 a.m, 10 a.m, 10 a.m. Now it will almost done. Now enter month when login happen. That means when login happen, when that someone used your credential and uh, pretend to log in into your account. Now I just select 5, that means May, and enter country China, enter a city. In city, what we can do here, we are going to fill a random town, like for example whatever we are going to fill in and this is create and enter the phishing URL. So we are going to into a zfisher tool. Now we are launched again zfisher./zfisher, and here we have the option, lots of option, but we are going to use Google. Here you can see Google. Click number 3 and hit enter. Now Gmail old login page, Gmail new login page, so we are going to choose 2, and local Cloudflare we are going to choose 1, and no. Now we got a phishing link. Just copy this link, and after in this terminal paste here and hit enter. And again name of the file, so we are going to give the name of Gmail underscore custom hack. Okay, do you want to continue? Yeah. Okay, this will tool return into their main interface. Now our Gmail custom attack.html file was ready. We are going to host this from our VPS and from anywhere. And now just showing you that how it will actually look like. Here you can see new sign in from Chrome on Windows. Hi Hacker Insight. Your Google account was just signed in into Chrome on Windows. Hacker Inside Windows and Friday May. Here you can see that we gave the details, and here you can see the didn't recognize. So what we can review your recently used device. So if I click here, here you can see here is the link that recently used devices. If I click here, what it will happen, here you can see it redirect into a Google login page. Okay, now this is genuine. Okay, Now we are going to paste here our details like email and password. And after this, when we hit the sign in button, here you can see it will automatically redirected and us into Google account, that real Google account. Okay, now here we got the credential. This is the actual method black hat hackers actually used. So protect yourself, enable two-factor authentication in your account so that protect yourself. And I hope this video will helpful for all of you. And before clicking any link, you can just see the actual link that it will genuine or not. Okay, this is the whole video, and just educate to all of you that how the actual hacking works. Okay, and if you really want to learn actual hacking, and even two batches are available, like pre-recorded course are also available. And if you want to learn one-to-one with me, you can also join. Google form link are available in description, you can fulfill, and after payment you will get your Google Meet link that you can learn hacking practically with me. And even you can, if you want to want pre-recorded course, you can also check out, it's available in description section. So I hope this video will helpful for all of you. Now see you in next video. Goodbye.